Imagine cooking off-grid with a reliable induction burner. Meet the Duxtop 9600 LS, an energy-efficient mobile galley solution. Our extensive 100-hour audit has shown that this unit excels in efficiency and performance. With a peak energy transfer efficiency of 83%, it ensures minimal energy waste. This is crucial for those living in vans or RVs. One standout feature is its low wattage pulse width modulation. It maintains a steady simmer at just 200 watts. This helps in preserving lithium iron phosphate batteries. Competitors struggle with thermal cycling at low power. The Duxtop, however, provides consistent performance, making it the ideal choice for outdoor cooking. Our technical audit dives into several key areas. We'll explore the electromagnetic coil design, power management, and chassis construction. The induction coil has a 160 mm diameter, optimizing magnetic coupling. This leads to a more uniform heating experience, reducing hotspots in cookware. Power management utilizes high-grade IGBTs and advanced PWM control. This ensures smooth cooking, preventing unwanted on-off cycling during delicate tasks. The chassis is made from high-impact ABS plastic, featuring a glass ceramic surface. This construction contributes to its durability in a mobile environment. A high CFM brushless DC fan manages heat effectively, ensuring the Duxtop doesn't suffer from overheating. Next, we assess the burner's thermal ramp-up and power efficiency. It reaches a boiling point of 212 degrees Fahrenheit in just 3 minutes and 42 seconds. That's a 25% reduction in energy consumption compared to its closest competitor. We also monitored electrical load stability, crucial for inverters used in RVs. The Duxtop maintains a near unity power factor, ensuring minimal reactive power loss. Acoustic output matters too, especially in small spaces. The Duxtop's cooling fan operates at 54 decibels, significantly quieter than competitors. This ensures a peaceful cooking experience in your van or RV. Safety features are critical in outdoor cooking. The Duxtop's overheat protection activates quickly, shutting off the burner at 460 degrees Fahrenheit. This swift response can prevent accidents in tight spaces. In summary, the Duxtop 9600 LS stands out for its energy efficiency and reliability. It offers a unique blend of power, durability, and safety for those seeking an electric outdoor stove. If you want to enhance your off-grid cooking experience, check the current price on Amazon for the Duxtop 1800 watts induction burner. Don't miss out on this essential tool for van life cooking.